Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. Today what I'm gonna do is, if you guys watched the last episode, it'll be up in the corner, right up over here. I wired up the panel for my fuses and relays. So what I'm gonna do is, somehow I'm gonna clean up this to make it look decent. I'm gonna mount it on top of my dash so that I can have power wire coming up through this hole and then onto here. So I'm gonna mount it right there. I'm gonna drill some holes underneath so that those bolts can go through. I'll set you up somewhere and then we'll get working on the car. That's where I'm gonna mount it, guys. I gotta clean up the edges out here. So I'm gonna just round off the corners, just so it somewhat looks better. There's a hole right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There's a hole right about here where the marker is. I'm going to use that for the power to come up into the panel. I'm going to use some self-tappers. I'm going to put one here and one here for right now. So I punctured some holes through so that I can sit flush, trim off the edge here. Trimmed up the edge there so that it will sit flush and nice right there. And then I'm gonna get some self-tappers for right now and tap that right there. It's gonna look good, guys. My dash is not the cleanest thing, but I want to show off my work. There we go, guys. Now what I'm going to do is possibly tape all these together and then extend it going underneath. It'll go underneath through the dash. All these junction ones right here. All these junction ones are gonna go down under here, because all that is a plate. See, that's all this big gaping hole right here. But what I can do with this piece is possibly trace it out. I hope you guys enjoy these little somewhat instructional videos. Like I said, I'm not the best. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna mark this off. And then I have that. This stuff's so easy to cut that I don't need the grinder. Will fit over that, like so. And now, I'm going to drill out the holes. So when it goes onto here, it's only going to be one little hole instead of 400 little holes. And what I'll do is have all the wires come in all the way here and then to here. So right now I'm just cutting the ground wire over here. Make sure they're all the same length. And then I'm gonna put one wire going from here down through here to the chassis. I'm gonna plug everything in and see if it'll flare, just to make sure I've got it hopefully hooked up right. Well, I give a shout out to one of my little sponsors here. It's Lighttouchtuning. They dyno and tune performance vehicles. They're from Ottawa. So I'm gonna link their website in the description below. They've got Facebook and Instagram. Message them up on Instagram at Lighttouchtuning. They do two-wheel chassis dyno and custom race tuning, so they're only appointment only. The description will be down below of where they are, what they tune, so hit them up and tell them I sent you there. So right now I'm going to attach those to the ends of these and then attach that to the panel. So that's how that's gonna go, guys, and then this is all gonna go right up to that other panel. So I'm hoping that wire's long enough. I have to buzz that off for a sec. Place this corner. This wire. Nice. So that can go there. These ones will go under here. Let's take that off for a sec. Take this off for a sec. And then that's going to be power there. This is going to have power to that. I think that's a ground one. What I'm going to do before this thing dies again because of the temperature is I'm going to connect all this stuff up here, guys, and then I'll show you when it's done. The camera's about to die, so I'm just going to quickly do that and then I'll be back. Okay, what I've got is all my wires up to there, and then they're all hooked up there to my toggle switch. Now I'm gonna have my, this one I believe goes to, I gotta figure out which one goes where, and then I'll show you after I'm done that part. But okay, I got all the accessories all hooked up right there. So what happens is, say I hit ignition, signal will go, or wire signal will go through here, up behind, through this one right here. It's gonna go up, trigger that, come back down, trigger this one, and that will go to the ignition. Okay, what I've got now, guys, I've got all this wiring. That's my back harness. Okay, guys, so what I've done is I routed the wire under there, through there, out there, and it's gonna go up. And it's gonna go up like that, through there. So, I'm gonna come back here and grab the wires. Possibly. Well, guys, what I'm doing right now is all I'm doing is electrical taping the whole harness. Well, guys, day 3 of the stinking wiring harness. Now, what I'm gonna do is I made my harness that ran from the front to the back. Cleaned it all up last night. And what I'm gonna do is there's little holes. One's right there, and there's 2 up here. So I'm gonna possibly go through this one right there, and then run it all up underneath the dash. So I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere. There we go. What I'm gonna do is, like I said, route the wires up to the front there, so. The rest of the wire is going to go out to the back, like I showed you yesterday when I was out here. It's going to go along here, and if I can organize all these wires. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Facebook or Instagram or whatever you guys whatever you guys use. I got all of them. There'll be a link down below. And time to figure out how I'm gonna get these out there. So then we come out here and set you guys right there. I don't know what you'll be able to see, but all my wires come under there. Okay, now I get rid of my 3 pairs of gloves here. I got the fuel pump here, which is gonna maybe be routed. Fuel pump's gonna route along there, around, and to the pump here. This wire right here You see right there, guys? I had a button up all on there, and I ground it out on one, probably right here. Well, that's grounded. Well, guys, it cranks, turns over and everything, but battery's dead. So, I'm in the trunk. See if I can get the Haggard jump pack on it. Okay, guys, well, since I've got it all wired up, I know there's power going to it. I'm going to end this episode right here, guys. Make sure you go smash that thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button. And turn on the post notifications. You guys will get up to date when I post it and be the first one to see it. So, make sure you watch the next episode. On that one, I'm going to change the spark plugs. And making sure I've got good spark. Because I know the ones I have in there right now are fouled. But, like I said, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.